Again, ISIL is not the only existential threat to the people of Turkey. The PKK is equally a threat, and we are aware of that. Although we believe the vast majority of Kurds want to live in peace with everyone in society, we have to be absolutely clear. The PKK has shown no desire or inclination to do that. And it is a terrorist group, plain and simple. And what they continue to do is absolutely outrageous. And I know, we know, the world knows that your government, Mr. Prime Minister, has in the past tried to find and negotiate a peace with the PKK, to lay down arms or leave, and they have not. And you've been left with no option. But I hope and I'm certain that you will not give up the possibility of continuing to try to encourage a political solution. But in the meantime, you must do what you need to do to protect your people.